Hello everyone, Sabneet here from Technical Boy Daily Tips, and I'm going to show you how you can search the Windows Registry for a key or value open. The Windows Registry, tapping the Win plus our keyboard shortcut and open in the run box. You have to type regedit. Once you have the registry editor open, you have to go to edit and inspect find. You can just tap the Ctrl plus F keyboard shortcut key. Now open the find box. Now once you have a find box open, you have to enter what you want to search for it, and it's up to you to search for either keys, values, or date, or all three of them. And again, if you want, you can match the whole string, or if the value that you are entered in the search box is part of a value's name or key's name, you can leave this option unchecked. Click find next and use the Windows Registry is so large it can take a little while to find the first entry. When the register key or value date is found, it automatically jumps to it, and it expands whatever value or key it's under. After that, it's up to you to change it however you want. Thanks for watching. I will see you later with more tech tips. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.